Two vehicles, A-Class and B-Class, one problem. In our case, the customer complained that in his B-Class, the doors rattle when playing certain music. To locate the problem, sit in the vehicle with the customer and let him explain the problem exactly. Once you've heard the noise, you can start solving the problem. To determine the exact position of the noise, get into the vehicle. Select the menu and then the sound settings, and then set as follows: treble to 0, bass to the highest level, and Logic 7 to on. With the balance and the fader, select each speaker individually and analyze exactly where the rattling noise is coming from. Then start by taking off the corresponding components one by one. Start with the door lining. If during the removal a clip breaks, then remove it and replace it before reinstalling. Once you've removed the lining, close the windows and doors and go back into the vehicle. Now play the music again. If the noise is gone, the cause was the door lining or related to the clips. More about that later. If the noise is still present, the problem components could be the power window motor, the door control unit, or the connecting point of the power supply. If you can't exactly locate the noise, move on to the power window motor. Disconnect the plug and then remove the 3 screws. Take the motor out and cut some mounting felt into 3 equal parts. Fold these pieces in the middle, and on the folded side, make a cut about 1/2 centimeter long. Pull off the protective film, and then place the felt pieces over the 3 plastic bolts and press them on firmly. Then reinstall the power window motor again. Tighten each screw loosely and then screw on each one tight again. Reconnect the plug. Now comes another sound check. If it still rattles, the door control unit is next. Slide out the connection point of the power supply and disconnect all plugs and unclip the device. Get your scissors again and cut some mounting felt lengthwise into 4 equal strips. put these on the bracket of the door control unit. Put the control unit back on and the connector back in. Then wrap the connection point of the power supply in felt. Then, using fabric tape, fix the cables so they no longer wiggle back and forth. After this, step 2, there's a sound check. Now everything is okay. But let's go back to the clips of the door lining. Check the individual clips for play. Modify any wobbly clips as shown here with a thin 1 by 1 centimeter piece of mounting felt. When it comes to noise in the A-class, work through the steps in the same way. The only difference is the clips. In the B-class they're blue, in the A-class orange. After you've installed the lining once again, do a final test. If the rattling noise is gone, then you've successfully resolved the problem.